Fine, let us start solving 42nd problem here. A man covers a distance of 40 kilometers. So he is going to cover 40 kilometers. Let us check out this. This is going to be 40 kilometers. He covers first 10 kilometers at, see, let us make a 1, 2, 3, 4. So first part is going to go, or otherwise first 10 kilometers, 10, 10, 10 and as well as 10. First 10 kilometer at 10 kilometer per hour, and second 10 kilometer at 20 kilometer per hour, and third is 30 kilometer per hour, and fourth is 40 kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed of a man? We need to find out. We know that average speed is equal to total distance traveled, that is total distance traveled by total time taken. Correct. Here we know that speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to distance by speed. This is what I need to substitute here, right? So total distance traveled is 40, that divided by total time taken. So first I will take this part, that is to cover 10 total time. See, this is time 1. Time 1 is distance 1 by speed 1. Distance is 10 and time taken is 10, plus second one is 10 by 20, plus third one is 10 by 30, fourth one is 10 by 40. Right. Now simplify it now. 40, this will become 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. I am simplifying here. 0, 0, I will cancel it. Now take a LCM of this. LCM of that will become 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. What is LCM? LCM is going to be 12. You can check out here. For 2, 3, 4, the LCM will be. So 2 1s are 3, 2 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM here. Right, 1 12s are 12, 12 into 1 12, plus 2 6 are 6 1s are 6, plus 3 4s are 4 1s are 4, plus 4 3s are 3. So 12, 18, 22, 25. This will become 25 by 12. This I will substitute here. So what happens here? 40, that divided by 25 by 12. So this will become 40 into 12, that divided by 25. This denominator of the denominator will moves to numerator. Now simplify it. 5 5s are 5 8s. So this will become 96 by 5. Correct. So 96 by 5, again simplify it. What they have given the answer is, in terms of decimal, divide that. 96 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 4, I will bring down 6, 5 9s are 45, 1, I will put a decimal point here, and so that I can bring 0, 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 19.2 kilometer per hour. The answer is B.